अभी पहले टीका लगाते हैं। Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Happy Raksha Bandhan. I'm starting this vlog with this little guy. Aydin. Hi. Aydin, see? This is his first Raksha Bandhan and he is ready and it's his nap time basically. So he is gonna get drink some milk. Who's that? Who's that, Chunkers? Tell him you're gonna have Baba. He's gonna have some milk basically, and then Tanya is gonna put him down for a nap. And in the evening, we are gonna go celebrate Raksha Bandhan, and then go out for dinner. All right, it's time to go get a nap. Here she is.
Some Baba.
Is that Baba?
Is it Baba time?
Whoa, we are hungry. We are super hungry. All right, let's go.
All right, come on.
And there is Marvel for those who haven't seen him in a long time. Marvel, hi.
Okay.
Yes, we haven't done a long form video in such a long time, so we decided to start today. We have been rolling out a lot of shorts, so I hope you guys are enjoying those. But today is Raksha Bandhan. It's Aydin's first Raksha Bandhan, and it's his 8th-month birthday today. So we got this outfit for him, and let us know in the comments how you liked his outfit. I just gave some tea to Tanya. For those who do not know, we all got COVID, so we are all negative now. So, but she has a little bit of still like coughing after effect of it. So I made a tea that's like a herbal tea. It has, I don't know, bunch of things, but if you guys want, I'm gonna post a little picture here and maybe throw an Amazon link. It really helps you with your sore throat or coughing and things like that, congestion. So even COVID or not, if you want to just use it, you can use it. We ready? We ready to go?
We ready to go, mister?
Alright, we are all set up. Let me reduce the air sound. And if you are wondering why we are dressed like this, because there has
change
been
of plan.
Yeah, there's been a little change of plan. We are not going out. We are gonna do a takeout. So we were too lazy. I mean, we were half ready, but then we just decided to stay in. So we are gonna go do the Rakhi and everything. Aydin's is in the back, and then decide what we want to eat and just get the takeout.
But we do plan on going to that restaurant maybe tomorrow or some other day. So
Yeah,
we
this
will take
weekend
you
for
guys
sure.
With us.
Yes, so we really want to go to this restaurant, so we
Yeah.
are definitely going it this weekend. So you guys will probably want to stay tuned for our next vlog. पहले टीका लगाते हैं।
Keep going for the chocolate.
Don't touch anything. Your box can be
Really small.
Oh, you took the whole thing.
Pictures? You took no?
Oh, I didn't.
Oh. Don't eat it just for action.
Oh, the picture came very blurry.
Your turn.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. look at Aydin watching.
Alright, now where's forehead? Hold on, Bobby. Yay! And then,
Then
you
put-
can slide
Put rice, little bit of
one
rice.
piece
Just
of rice. Stick it on top of the red thing.
Okay, just a minute. You gotta wait. Okay, you don't have to do it.
Hold on.
that's and now you can just keep the plate
Plate.
here and put that
Band on
bracelet
his
on him.
You were supposed to do it. I didn't. You want it this way or this way?
This
Yeah.
Whoa, what do you have in your hand? Look.
Hold his hand.
Hold on, let me pre-tie.
Then hold his hand.
Yeah, it came off.
Here, hold on. Listen,
That's
you
alright.
kids aren't cooperating.
Okay, try the other one.
Tied it.
Aydin.
Look at that.
My goodness. What you doing, boo boo?
Like that. Putting hand out to it.
Aydin, give Everly the present. Sorry, my
Right,
boyfriend.
this is from your side. Come here.
Wow.
Give this to Emily.
What do you say?
Whoa! Aydin,
Yeah, give this to Emily. This
Give
is
Aydin
Emily.
a hug. Wait, I have
Here.
his bracelet.
She's okay.
Say I love you, Emily.
whoa!
What do you say?
Wow. Wow! Show it to me. Whoa!
Yeah, put her. That's Alright, sweet. Give them sweet. Which one do you want?
Yeah.
Of course, the Libby. Try the chocolate is good.
Oh, chocolate. It's not protein.
Alright guys, food is here. Look at the shine at her face. She has been waiting all morning.
This
So-
is steak with cheese, pineapple, onions, poblano pepper, mushroom, and chorizo.
And with
With
refried beans
and rice. And
rice.
some tortilla.
Ooh, you got curry also with that.
And this is payas.
Ooh.
This is spicy steak tacos.
Ooh.
rice and beans.
And then
And this is your chimichanga?
these are my chimichangas. Can you open it?
Yes.
Trying for that. Ooh. Look at that with some refried beans and rice.
And this is Ashley's beef taco with rice and bean soup.
Wow. Okay, so food is here, so we're gonna go have some food. I can barely get any footage because I literally did not let anybody put Rakhi on him. So the cute Rakhis, they were torn apart before they even got put on him. And he is playing right here. Look at him. I don't know what he's doing. He's just stuffing his mouth with all Elliot's toys and Everly's toys. And we're gonna go enjoy some delicious food. Baby, is it good?
So good.
Look at her.
It's not spicy, but it's like very flavorful.
Oh.
Mac and cheese.
What are you doing? Are you sad because you're not getting anything? Good morning! Yes! Good morning! Hey! I didn't see? Over there. Keisha, good morning. Alright guys, so yesterday was fun and we could not... Who's Dad talking to? Yesterday was fun and we forgot our camera at their place basically.
Yeah.
So we had to go back and get the camera, so we could not finish the vlog last night, but it was too much fun. As you guys might have already seen, the guy did not let anybody put Rakhi on him. It was really hard, but
Food was really good.
and the food was really good actually. Like everybody ordered their own whatever they wanted, and it was really amazing. We have been wanting to eat from this restaurant as well for a little while, but Nitish used to always get it from this restaurant, but we never tried it before. So we definitely loved it. And the good part is that they opened another franchise right next to our house, so we can get it anytime we want.
Yeah.
Hi. So anyways, I want to end this vlog at this point. I hope you had a beautiful Rakhi with your fam and friends and brothers and sisters, and we are gonna end this vlog